What's up, man? I'm back, man. We made it to the spot. See all these nice cars out here, man. Yeah, so you see all these nice cars out here. We out here in this thing, man. Yes, sir. We out here in this thing. Bring y'all some dope footage, man. We out here with the squad, man. Squad it up. Like always, baby. Always. We out here. Yes, sir. You see the man of the hour. Man of the hour right there. Yes, sir. We out here. Go here. Check out this donk.
Man, that junk clean.
Yeah, it is. You can go out here and check out this donk, man. Yes, sir. Y'all look around some of these cars, man. Your boy getting plenty of love on this car, man. I wish I had it done, though. I ain't got it done, but it's coming. It's coming, man. Y'all stay tuned to that, man. About a week, my white car coming soon, man. Y'all stay tuned to that, man. But here we go, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see what it is. Yes, sir. Man, they're clean, man. Pink pearl on this thing. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Beard, yep. And they're nice. Check out the Jeep on point. Jeep is on point, man. Yeah. We got that joint done up. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
How you doing? All right.
You doing all right? See it? Hog life. Lights. Yeah, I see it. Dope. Dope. Wish I could have my car washed, man, but it was raining in Memphis, man, and the long drive gonna get right back dirty. White gonna get right back dirty. What's up, man?
Let me pop that for you. It might be some content on there. You just never know.
We'll be the judge of that.
All right, I heard that.
Okay. I don't even want to show you on my hood, then you gonna put your hood back down.
I just got this in November, so I only had it a couple months.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I just started on it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got like, mine's the white one.
Huh?
Mine's the white one over there with the hood, with the trunk popped up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm finna come check it out.
Hey, I wish I could have had it done well before I came here, but I couldn't get it done in time.
Yeah, I'm gonna come check it out, though.
Yes, sir. Right, but it's nice, though. I like the, you going with the whole yellow color scheme, right? Yellow and black color scheme, right?
Yeah, I'm staying with that.
I said I want to order me some of these and take my top off and order some of them right there.
You know you can order them.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said I'm trying to order me some.
$345.
I'm gonna see can I order the thing that go over here too.
Oh, you got a $345?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just bought it at the end of November.
Hey.
You know, so.
Hey, but you in there though? Hey, but you in there? I like. Look at the seats. Hey, I see the seats tight. Yeah, I like these seats.
I ain't really seen nothing like this though.
Hey, nah. Did it come stock like that, or they custom did the seats?
No, it came stock.
Okay.
It came like this.
Okay.
They only made 566 of them.
The Super B version.
Yeah, Super B. They only made 566.
donkey over there. Sliding this thing. Cloud of smoke. Yes, sir. He ain't done yet, folks. Yes, sir. He ain't playing. He ain't playing at all. He wasn't playing with y'all. Yeah, he was slanging everything. Yes, sir. He was not playing with him over there. All gas, no brakes. Scatty. Y'all see what it say? Oh, yeah. Y'all see what it was. Follow him on YouTube. Y'all see. Yes, sir. Follow him on Instagram, YouTube. Y'all see what it say. VP, Mopar Mafia. Yes, sir. Huh? Oh, yeah, he custom in that thing. 115? 115.
I bet that one was slapping.
Shit, I see that big one.
10K amp. Got 8s in the doors, 10-inch screen. I'm running two lithium S powers and one XS power battery.
Yeah, you got some power in that thing.
Damn.
You got some,
I
yeah.
had to beef up my alternator and all kinds of stuff.
I already know it.
Yeah.
To power that amp,
Oh yeah.
yeah, you need a few batteries.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You need a few batteries. Yeah. And that don't even get warm. It still won't more. Hey,
right here.
now it's about the amp still won't more. It don't even get warm. Yeah.
Yeah, run 3 fuses. This box is tuned at 44 hertz. So everybody's like, that's what, just 115. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's nice. Yeah, you in there.
You know they full-blown running up here now. What's going on with it, bro?
What's up, man?
Man,
representing the M-Town, baby.
You, bro.
Yeah. Hey, shout out, man. Come follow your boy. Ace Boogie, hang with Ace Boogie, baby. Hey, dope content. Hey, I got 2 bills coming in 2 months. Y'all better keep up. Keep up. With 2 charges down there. They ain't coming. My wife coming first. I'm putting her out first.
Okay.
She coming to the city first. Yeah. Hey, yep.
Put your wife on.
Yeah. Put her on game first. Yeah.
About their wives and their girlfriends.
Hey, the blue right there on Volgs. Put on Volgs. Yeah.
Blue in the wiper.
Blue in the wiper. Yes, sir. Follow your boy. Follow your boy, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, man. You can't get away from it.
Oh, no. You ain't going to get away from it. Oh, no. You ain't going to get away from it.
They just can't go out this area right here.
He in it. Sir, he in it. Yes, sir. He's in it. Y'all hear him over there acting a fool. Yeah, they acting a fool. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Y'all see Quicksilver. I already seen this car already on YouTube. You went to my boy.
Yes, sir.
JJ.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I seen that junk. Me and my white car coming soon. I'm finna drop hers first. In another week, she coming out first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, I gotta get my doors done. It's supposed to be next Wednesday.
Okay. And he's so booked up, man. It's hard to get in there. It's hard to get in there. I've been waiting about a month and a half.
Snow week through here.
It knocked it off. Yeah, I've been waiting like a month and a half to get our cars in there. He did that. He already did that car. I had the Sonic Hedgehog on that at first.
Yeah.
And you know my wife got the Wonder Woman truck.
I ain't even seen it too.
Yeah, she got the Wonder Woman truck.
Was y'all at the meet in October?
At Memphis, I was. She wasn't. She didn't make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was my first one.
Yeah, she wasn't there. She didn't make it. She didn't get a chance to make it. But yep. That's her second bill. I'm doing her second bill.
Yeah.
On hers, yep.
I was thinking about getting the Camaro. But I don't know, because I'm still iffy, because you know what I'm saying? It's what's the love about here in Compton.
Yeah, it is. Look, I almost got a Camaro instead of getting my truck. And shit, that was hot then. Camaro was hot then. And these Mopar came along, took over, fool. Took over.
Oh, he came to me. Oh, he came back.
Oh yeah, they say he was gonna be here.
I didn't know.
Yeah, they say he's gonna be here.
See that big truck too.
SRT light, yeah. They say he's gonna be here.
Camaro instantly when I seen Transform.
Yep, that's what started it. Then what kicked off Dodge? Fast and Furious. When they jumped to them Dodges, said them imports and them Dodges, that what kicked off.
Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
I watch it every day.
They're